Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DRYS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. Well, this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. This is now, I think, the third day in a row I've done this analysis. And I'm just bound and determined right now to keep tracking this thing until it gives some sort of upwards price movement. And yesterday, I made comments about this is the worst thing ever, so it's probably going to bounce. And, as I stated, I was partially kidding. But this thing just keeps falling and falling. However, the chart actually does look quite interesting at this point. And again, just because something looks quite interesting does not mean it's a guarantee of anything. But why does it look quite interesting? Well, the price has finally started to go sideways. And you may think, well, geez, that's setting the bar kind of low. And yeah, I mean, that just kind of really shows how nasty things have been because recently it's just been straight down, straight down, straight down. However, today you can see that the bulls actually, showed some signs of strength via saying, you know what? Here and here, they said to the bears, we're not going to let the price go down any further. The lowest it got there was $2.10. The lowest it got there was $2.11. So for whatever reason, as it stands right now, people are willing to buy at $2.10. Now, are people going to continue to want to buy at $2.10? Well, that remains to be seen. But the point here is, as the story of the chart is telling us right now, there are buyers down there at $2.10. So potentially this is going to be some sort of, support level. And, is it going to bounce? Like I said, no such thing as a guaranteed. Would I be shocked to see some sort of bounce? I would not be shocked, but like I said, don't go grab your life savings, throw it all into there and say, yeah, some guy on YouTube said it's for sure 100% going to bounce. Not saying that. I'm just saying bulls have actually showed some signs of strength via, starting to go sideways. If there is any sort of bounce, I'm going to get rid of this tool for now so we can I don't want to have clutter all over the place. But if the price does start to bounce, there's kind of a key initial point that the bull is going to first need to break. And that level of resistance sits right here at, we'll call it $2.35. So $2.35 is going to be the first initial level of resistance. Next one after that, the purple line up there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. But before we start talking about the 50-period, first got to get up above $2.35. So some sideways action today. That brings up the big question. Is this any sort of bottom that's going to try to at least create some sort of dead cat bounce? If nothing else, we shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.